Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. My name is Jake and today I want to talk about 5 stocks that have a 5% dividend yield or higher and that are relatively safe stocks to invest in. And if you guys don't know, again, I like to post 2 times a week, Mondays and Fridays. So if you guys wanted to join me on this journey that I'm on, investing journey, I would love if you would like this video and subscribe. That would be awesome. Also, I just want to say thank you for everybody who is subscribed currently and who has given me some support and some notes and some motivation. I appreciate every single one of you. And with that being said, guys, let's get right into this. All right, so starting off the list, guys, we have Federal Realty Investment Trust, or FRT for the ticker symbol. They finished the day at 78.38. It's in after hours right now, so that could change. I have 2 shares, 1.34% of my portfolio, total return of $6.12. And they pay a dividend of $1.06 per share. I currently have 2, but when this gets paid out, I had 1. So Federal Realty Investment Trust, they are a REIT who invest in high quality retail focused properties, essentially. So we go over to track your dividends, and you can see here, this was updated on the 9th. They have a 5.39% forward dividend yield. Their PE ratio is 25.67. We can go over here and check out their dividend history. It has been increasing slowly here, but it is increasing. And then we check out their dividend safety right here, which is a 99. Everything is good, very good, or fair. So that gives them a 99% on their safety score. They do pay an annual dividend of 4.24. Next up, guys, we have WSR, or Whitestone REIT, another REIT here. They finished their day at $6.24. I do have them at an average cost of $6.49. I have 38 shares. They're 2.03% of my portfolio. And I have a total return of negative $9.61. As you see here, I am getting a dividend of $1.33 on the 14th. So 38 shares at 0.035 for $1.33. So Whitestone REIT, they basically acquire, own, and manage commercial properties in Texas, and they were founded on August 20th in 1998. Then if we go over here to track your dividends, you can see on the 9th they finished at $6.25. They have a forward dividend of 6.16, annual payout of 39 cents per share. You can see their PE ratio is 11.56. Their dividend history, you can see their dividend history is extremely steady until Rona, and then it dips. But that is also what happened to quite a few stocks during that time, and I do expect it to go back up. But if we go over here to their dividend safety score, they also have a 99. Everything is good or very good. So that is awesome to see. And I do expect their dividend to continue to grow over time. Next up here, guys, we have AT&T, ticker symbol T. This is a lot of people's favorite dividend stock. It's relatively cheap. I have 7 of them at $29.84 for 1.70% of my portfolio. And I am down $10.75. They were hit with some bad news today. I'm sure that they will continue to pay out their dividend. We'll go over that here in a second. So AT&T, as you guys know, is a telecommunications company, and they also own Warren Media as well, and they operate in the U.S. and Latin America and whatnot, and pretty much around the world for the most part. If we go over to track your dividends, you can see that on the 9th they finished at $28.32. They have a forward dividend of 7.35%. Their PE ratio is 12.7. Dividend history, they have steady, consistent growth, as you guys can see here, which is what we always like to see. And then finally, their dividend safety score is a 71, so a little bit lower than the 99 that we were seeing just previously, but that is because their earnings per share has negative growth. But I don't see any reason why this can't correct itself. There's nothing serious going on in this company itself. It's more of what the federal government is putting some pressure on the diversity laws right now, especially. But I do feel like this can be a 99 again. Next up, guys, we have Simon Property Group, or SPG for their ticker. I have them at $65. They finished the day at $67.75. I have 5 of these. They are 2.90% of my portfolio. I have talked about these guys before on my channel. I have a positive $9.43. So what Simon Property Group essentially is they own, develop, and manage retail real estate properties. So they manage them, lease them, and whatnot. And as we all know, the Rona has pretty much destroyed that industry for now. As you can see, in the past year, they have dipped a lot. Again, these are a REIT, so REITs tend to do bad in these type of situations, but I have no doubt that this can recover, especially with some potential help from Amazon, as we've heard in the news past. But anyway, let's go over to track your dividends. And you see on the 9th, they finished at $67.76. Their forward dividend is 7.67%. Their PE ratio is 9.49. They pay an annual dividend of $5.20. The dividend history has steadily grown until the 7 of 2020. It did take a little bit of a hit. So it was $2.10. Now it's $1.30. But I do believe that this can recover. And then if we go over to the safety score, you will see that they have a safety score of 84. So they are even more safe than AT&T, and they have a higher forward paying dividend yield. And everything for these guys are very good or fair or high. So this is a very good, in my opinion, recovery stock to get into while it's still relatively low. Before we get into the last one, guys, real quick, I also am starting to leave my link to my Robinhood, and I just recently signed up for Yada Bank. Down in the description, if you want to check those out, use my links and you'll get a free stock and 100 tickets through Yada, and I will also get some. I would appreciate that. Thanks, guys. And then finally, guys, on my top of my list here, we have Altria. They finished their day at $40.69. I have one at an average cost of $41.73. So I am down $1.04. They're paying 86 cents per share. I have one of them, 86 cents. So what Altria Group is essentially they produce smokable products and smokeless products, and now also wine, and they operate throughout the US. And then if we go over to track your dividends, so Altria Group finished on the 9th, $40.69. They have a forward dividend yield of 8.49 or 43, sorry. Their PE ratio is 13.67. So if we go over to their dividend safety score, guys, you'll see that they have a dividend safety score of 69. Nice. And the only reason for that is because of their payout ratio. That is in danger, so that is not a good sign. But I feel like these guys, especially with the state of everything, will be quite all right. Even with that, I believe this company can continue to grow and continue to diversify, and I feel like they will be all right. There you have it, guys. That is my list. I know it's some little controversial ones on there or whatnot, but I feel like this is a decent list, especially if you're looking for those pretty high dividend yields. There are some very good companies on this list, in my personal opinion. Of course, not investing advice, but I hope you guys are hanging in there, sticking to your strategies, making them money, and having an awesome time doing it, guys. Let me know in the comments below if you have any stocks that I might want to look into, or your favorite stocks with a 5% or up yield. I would appreciate looking into those. I love learning about new stocks. But with that being said, guys, I hope you are having an awesome day. With that being said, peace.